Hello, this is Mr. Mack again. On number 18, Maria made a 75% on her government test and an 83% on her math test. Now, the mean grade on the government test was 72% with a standard deviation of 5. And the mean grade on the Algebra 2 test was 81% with a standard deviation of 4. On which test did Maria do better? Well, the Z-score for Maria's government test is going to be 75 minus 72. I don't know why this is 73, it's 75 here, right? Over 5. Now that's 3 over 5 or 0.6. So she was 0.6 standard deviations above the mean on the government test. Now the Z for her math test was 83 minus 81 over 4, which is 2 over 4, which is 0.5. Since she was farther away in standard deviations from the mean on the government test, Maria did better on her government test than she did on her math test. For number 19, standard deviation. For standard normal distribution, the mean mu is always 0, and the standard deviations are always 1. In other words, the units on the z-axis or the horizontal axis are 1. Okay, now for 20 through 25. Use Table A, standard normal distribution, to find the proportion of observations that satisfies each of the following statements. In each case, shade the area under the curve that is the answer to the question. Z is less than negative 1.83. Well, now negative 1.83 is about there, and this is the area under the curve that we'd be looking for. Now, what we're going to do is we'll look for negative 1.83 in the standard normal curve, which is, we're going to use this one. Now, negative 1.8 is here. This is negative 1.80, negative 1.81, 2, and 3. So we get 0.0336. Where are we? Yes. So this is 0.0336 or 3.36%. Okay, number 21, Z is greater than 2.18. Well, now here's 2.18 approximately, and so we want this region over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for 2.18 in the table, and that's the positive table here. And we go to 2.10, 2.11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 2.18 is 0.9854. 0.9854. But now, the 0.9854 is not the region that was shaded, it's the rest of the curve. So 1 minus 0.9854 would be the answer. And so what is that? There's a 6, there's a 4, there's a 1, and a 0. So I get 0.0146 or 1.46% on that one. The next one, Z is less than 0.33. Well, 0.33 would be about here. So Z is less than 0.33 would be this shaded region here. So we're going to look for 0.33 in the table, and The value we get is going to be exactly the one we want, 0.33. Where's my little circle here? There it is. 0.33, 0.30, 31, 0.32, 0.33 is 0.6293. So this is, 0.6293. But unfortunately, I put 0.33 not at 0.33, but at negative 0.33. So this is making more sense because we're to the right of the mean, so the area to the left of our line should be greater than 0.5, which it is. Okay. All right, 23. Z is between 1.42 and 2.68. Now, 1.42 is probably about here, and 2.68 is probably about here. Now, we want this region right here. The way we're going to get that is we're going to find all of the area to the left of 1.42, and then we're going to find all of the left area to the left of 2.68, and we will subtract this first value from the second value to get the value of the area in between. So let's find 1.42, 1.40, 1.41, 1.42 is 0.9222. So this first one is 0.9222. Now 2.68. 2.6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2.68 is 0.9963. And we'll subtract that first number from the second number. 2 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 9 is 0. So we get 0.0741 or 7.41%. Right. Z is greater than negative 0.51. So here is negative 0.51, and we want this region here. Now, when we look in the table, it's actually going to give us the region we did not shade, negative 0.51. Negative 0.501 is 0.3050. So the shaded region is going to be 1 minus 0.3050, which is going to be 0.59 6.6950 or 69.5%. And one more. Z is between negative 2 and 1.53. Okay, here's negative 2, and here's 1.53. Once again, this is the region we want, so we're going to find the amount less than negative 0.2 and the amount less than 1.53, and we're going to subtract that first amount from the second amount. So the Z, the area of negative 2, negative 2.00 is 0.0228. And Now 1.53. 1.50, 1.51, 1.52, 1.53, 0.9370. So 8 from 10 leaves 2, 2 from 6 leaves 4, 2 from 3 leaves 1, 0 from 9 leaves 9. So we get 9.9142 or 91.42%. So that takes care of 18 through 25.